Sri Lanka. Highlights: culture, nature, wildlife, and beaches. This 7-day itinerary is designed to give travelers a rich taste of Sri Lanka's most famous attractions, blending ancient cultural sites with natural beauty, wildlife encounters, and beach relaxation for a perfect week-long escape. Tour highlights: cultural marvels. Explore the ancient wonders of Sigiriya Rock Fortress and Dambulla Cave Temple. Scenic train ride. Experience the famous train journey from Nuwara Eliya to Ella with breathtaking landscapes. Wildlife adventure. Enjoy a thrilling jeep safari in Yala National Park to see leopards, elephants, and other wildlife. Beach bliss and history. Unwind at Anawatuna Beach and explore the colonial charm of Gal Fort. WhatsApp +947 425 18715 for more information. Have a lovely day.